Dear friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is transformer. In this topic, we will cover construction of transformer and working of transformer. In this diagram, the transformer is a static machine. It is used to convert low voltage to high voltage and high voltage to low voltage. This is the diagram of transformer. In this center portion is known as core of the transformer, and this one is known as primary winding, and this is secondary winding. The core is made of thin laminations. The stacking is made. This part is known as cross section of the core. This primary winding terminals are P1, P2. Applied voltage to primary is V1 voltage. And current flowing through the primary is I1. The terminal of secondary winding is S1, S2. And induced EMF in the secondary is V2 voltage. So, in this case, as it is the core of transformer, the cross-section area of the core is represented by H drive. This flux in the transformer core is Bmax is equal to main flux known as, so flux is equal to phi max is equal to Bmax into area of the core, this area. Bmax is known as maximum flux density of EMF equation of transformer is E1. The induced EMF in primary winding E1 is equal to 4.44 phi max F N1 volt. Similarly, in secondary winding, induced EMF is equal to 4.44 phi max F into N2. With these two formulas, we can find out the voltage of primary and secondary and the number of turns in primary and secondary. There is a transformation ratio K is equal to V2 upon V1 is equal to N2 upon N1 is equal to I1 upon I2. With this, we can find out the number of turns in the secondary and primary. If we know the number of turns in primary, then we can find out the number of turns in secondary. Or if you know the primary voltage, then with the help of this transformation ratio, you can find out the value of secondary voltage V2. The product of V1 into I1 is equal to product of V2 into I2 is primary number of volt ampere is equal to secondary number of volt ampere. The capacity of transformer is given in volt ampere, or in heavy size transformers it is given in kilovolt ampere. Area of wire of primary winding is given by I1 by delta, where delta is the current density, and secondary winding cross section area is equal to I2 upon delta. So, with the help of these two formulas, you can find out the size of primary and secondary conductor, and number of turns we can find out with the help of this formula. And one more thing, that what is the flux density, phi max flux can be find out with this. Bmax, the value of maximum flux density, is fixed for any type of lamination. For silicon steel, simple steel, Bmax is fixed. It is dependent upon the material of the lamination core. Area of cross section is dependent upon the size of lamination, and with the help of this we can find out the value of phi max. Maximum flux की value होती है. So phi max, and with the help of this phi max and frequency of transformer and number of turns, you can find out the voltage of the transformer. And with the help of voltage and phi max and F, we can find out the number of turns in the primary and secondary winding. This is the calculation part of this machine, and there are two types of transformer. One is step-up transformer and second is a step-down transformer. In step-up transformer, the input voltage is low and high, output voltage is high. For example, we can step up the voltage from 11 kV to 220 kV in power transformers at the all stations. And in case of step-down transformer, we are using very small transformers at our homes, where we give 220 volt input and we find 12 volt or 24 volt output voltage. So this is known as step of transformer. With the core construction of core, there are two types of transformers. First is core type transformer. In this core type transformer, core is like this, made of two L-shaped laminations, and there is a cell type transformer in which core of E-shape and I-shape is used. In cell type transformer, the total primary winding and secondary winding is wound on the center limb. In case of core type transformer, the primary winding is wound on first limb and secondary is wound on secondary limb. In phase, depending upon the phase, transformers are of two types: single phase transformer and three phase transformer. And power transformers are generally used in power station and substations, whereas 11 kV to 440 volt transformers are used as a distribution transformer. You have seen on the poles of street. These are distribution transformers. And in electronics item, in our domestic equipments like microwave oven, color TV, black and white TV, and mixie, washing machine, very small size transformers are used or in the PCB area, where 230 volt is converted into 110 volt, or in audio players 220 volt is converted into 24 volt or 12 volt. In case of battery chargers, voltage step down to 12 volt or 24 volt. So these are very small transformers. The capacity of transformer is generally denoted in kVA. It is not in kilowatt, because that power factor of transformer is depend upon the load, not on the transformer itself. So I think this topic is useful to you. If you find it is useful, please like this video, and if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for visiting my channel. Thank you.